Who got into the refrigerator here? Oh, this is my favorite kitten. Kittens don't eat burgers. Get out, baby. I'll pour you some milk. And I'll take the rest for myself. Today, I will cook Chupa chips. To begin with, I will pour hot water into a bowl and melt gelatin and milk. Let's speed up the process. Now we need cream cheese and sugar. Let's mix it all up and add gelatin. A little more milk won't hurt us. Perfect. We'll mix it up, and we got a white mixture similar to whipped cream. But they're in different bowls. We should still work with a whisk. Wonderful. Now we can safely mix the bowls. There we go. Now it's time to make delicious jam. To do this, we put strawberries in a mini saucepan, adding some sugar and water. It is necessary to constantly stir it with a spoon to get a good result. May there be jam of all colors. Beautiful. When the jam has thickened, it means that it is ready. Let's add it to the mixture with gelatin. Mix it, and do not forget about all the others. We will get all colors of Chupa chips. Wow! All the colors are ready. It's time to pour them into a special mold. Each compartment will have its own color. The first one will be red, the second orange, the third yellow, and so on according to the colors of the rainbow. Do not forget to insert a stick. Super! We can put our forms into the refrigerator for half an hour. Let everything freeze and ta-da! We have awesome Chupa chips in front of us. Oh, what a beauty! They look delicious. I'll try the yellow one. It's amazing. Now, I want the red one. It's made of strawberries, and I love it. Wow! It turned out really cool. Chupa chips made of rainbow colors gave me the idea to cook rainbow Chupa chips. Let's see how all the colors shimmer in one candy. To do this, we will need juicy fruits. I slice mango first. Oh, what a fragrance! To make jam from it, we need to add condensed milk and honey. Let's do this. There we go. And some heavy cream. Now we can mix it and prepare all the other ingredients. Watermelon, kiwi, and also blue tea. It gives a bright color, and that's what we need. It's time to cook each jam in a saucepan. Oh, the smell is so delicious. Yeah, we can remove the saucepan from the stove. Now let's mix corn syrup, sugar, milk, and some water. Hooray! Everything is boiling. It's time to pour our Chupa Chips mixtures into bowls. Great job! Let's mix it up. And we will fill the special mold with all the colors of the rainbow. There we go. We start with red, some yellow, green, and blue. It remains to insert some sticks and put it into the refrigerator for half an hour. Voila! We got a rainbow masterpiece! And by the way, it's not only beautiful but also very tasty. I feel all the flavors at once. It's awesome! And now, I will show you the fastest and easiest recipe for Chupa Chups that everyone can cook. Well, let's start. We take strawberries or any fruit that you have at home, even an apple will do. Now cut it into pieces. Perfect. For jam, we won't need anything else but sugar. The main thing is not to overdo it. Mix the ingredients well and cover it with film. Make sure that all the edges hug the bowl. Let it stand like that for a while. I'll repeat the same with mango. And in the meantime, join me. We will get mega delicious Chupa Chups. It's simple and fun. Oh, what a fragrance! I'm already drooling. There we go. Perfect. Now, pour some milk. That will be enough. We will brew blue tea in it. This is a great option if you don't have fruit at home. Just take a bag of any tea. Great, let's move on. Pour sugar into a saucepan and put more milk so that it completely covers the sugar. Let's mix it well so that sugar can dissolve. It's easy to check if you try to get it from the bottom of the saucepan. When the milk has boiled, remove it from the stove. Next, we need to cook our strawberries to make jam. When everything is ready, add a little of the sweet mixture to it and mix it all up. All colors are ready, except for the blue one. It's easier with tea. Just add a sweet mixture to it. It's time to pour all the colors into the mold. Add some coconut milk to each compartment and then fill it with jams. Just like that. We insert some sticks and sending this to the freezer for half an hour. Yahoo! Our gorgeous Chupa Chups are ready! That's how easy and fast we made ourselves a yummy treat. Time to check it out, and I really like it. How about you? If you liked this video, please like it. I invite you to subscribe to our channel and try other awesome recipes of your favorite mini desserts. Here you'll find cakes, ice cream, and marmalade in a bottle. And I'll show you how to cook a burger, french fries, and even pasta. See you in the next video!